Good morning, everyone. A new episode of Masterclass Pathshala for all dear students. So you can see with me a new guest, the old guest, but he is here with us again. Good morning, Tuttu.
Good morning.
How are you, Tuttu?
I'm fine. How are
Okay,
you?
so I am good, Tuttu. I'm also doing very well.
Oh,
So where are you from, Tuttu?
I am from Australia in Gold Coast.
Oh, you are from Australia, Gold Coast. That's
Yes,
nice. So you don't miss your country?
I miss my country, but India is also good.
Okay. So, do you want to take us? Do you want me to take you to Australia and show you your Gold Coast?
Oh, yes, it's a beautiful place.
Okay. So, what I'll do, I'll take you to Gold Coast, and there you can, I can show you your country and your places.
Okay. Oh, we are in Google Earth.
Yes. So, I am taking you to Google Earth. From Google Earth, we will go to see the world.
Okay.
Okay, so this is Google Earth. You can type it on the Google and I'll take you to different places in Australia. So let us go there.
Okay.
Okay, so where do you want to go first? Which place? This is
Let's go
we
to
are
Gold
launching
Coast.
our.
Let's go
Okay,
to
you
Gold Coast.
want to go to Gold Coast.
Yes.
Okay, so let me fix it for you and let me share my screen with all of you again. Okay, it is taking some time for going inside. So what all you will show us today to do? Can you talk about it till the time I launch my Google Earth?
No, it's a secret and a surprise.
Okay, it is secret and it is surprise. Okay,
Yes. So,
so let
I'm
me.
going to tell you the first place.
Okay, so let me take you to Google Earth. It is there in my laptop. I'll just put it on the video. It is little slow. My computer is little slow today. So not an issue. I'm just connecting. Where is Tutu? So I'm going to Chrome tab. I'm launching Google Earth. So I think Tutu is also gone. Tutu is also having some network problem. So Tutu is also on the way and our Google Earth is also on the way. So, as you all know, Google Earth is a beautiful application which takes you anywhere in the world. And now my Google Earth is ready to be launched. So, I am taking you to Gold Coast, the place he said. So, here, if you see, this is the search engine, and I'll put the word Gold Coast and it's in Australia. So let's go all the way. It will take us to Gold Coast in Australia. It is moving. The earth is moving. Okay, so Tutu, I am here with you at Gold Coast. So I have Tutu. Where is Tutu? Again, Tutu is come. Okay, Tutu, can you
Hi.
see? Hi.
Okay. So first destination is Gold Coast Zoo. It's known as Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary Park.
So you want me to take you to Gold Coast Zoo?
Yes, it's known as Currumbin Sanctuary Park.
Okay, so here we go to Gold Coast, and let me take people little down. So we will go little down, and you see Gold Coast is a coast, so it is near ocean. Yes, Tutu.
Yes.
So we go down. We are actually entering and the city. So we will go down. Let's go down. We are going down, down, down. Okay. And now Tutu wants me to take you to place called.
Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary.
Okay, that is your place.
Yes.
Okay, so I am putting Kurumbin Wildlife Sanctuary here. Oh, I got it. Kurumbin Wildlife Sanctuary.
Yes, that's the one.
Oh, wow. So here it is. We are going down. We are just on the top of it. You can see Kurumbin Wildlife Sanctuary. It is near
Oh.
ocean.
Yes.
Okay, if you want to go down, I can take you go down only.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so if I put the icon, this icon which says the men, so you will see all the blue spots. So all the
Yes.
blue lines are the place where I can land down. So let me go down and I'm going to Kurumbin Life Sanctuary. So let me go down. So we are all going down, you see. Oh, we are on the ground now. Okay, I'm actually in the ground.
Oh, this is a street view.
Yes, this is a street view. So this is the actual sanctuary. You want to go inside?
Of course.
Okay, so this is your house.
Oh, yes. It brings back so many memories.
Yes. So you can go inside and then I'll take you more inside. Okay, you can see the aerial view of it. This is a
Yes.
wildlife sanctuary.
One time in Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary, a eagle took me and I was flying.
Oh my God. And then what did you do?
Remember my friend Bholu, the koala?
Yes, Bholu the koala.
He threw a rock at the eagle.
Okay, then you both fought with the eagle.
Yes. And I gave him my keys. So we were
Okay,
friends.
that's nice. This is treetop challenge, Kurumbin. You can climb on the tree.
Yes, my Bholu was an expert on that.
Okay, Bholu also lives here.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a very big sanctuary you can see. So I think to do it's better we go to some other place. I have shown you your house. So can you show us little more Australia?
Okay. Let's go to the world's biggest the residential building. It's known as Q1.
Okay, so I press Q1. Okay, it's Q1 is the tallest residential building.
Yes, it means that is the tallest hotel.
Oh wow, this is the world's tallest residential hotel.
Yes,
Oh wow. Have you gone there to do?
yes.
Okay, so this is a proper Gold Coast, and we are just watching the world's tallest residential building, which is called Q1. And you can go down a little bit, and then you can see. And if you want to go down, we can have a 2D view of it. We are just on the top of it. Yes,
Yes,
this is the top. Oh, there is a swimming pool as well.
yes, it's a big swimming pool.
Okay, let me go down and go. Let's see the swimming pool. Okay, so I am putting at one of the places at swimming pool. Okay, now I'm directly going to the swimming pool. Oh wow, see, we are at the swimming pool area. People are lying down here.
Yes,
Okay, where is the swimming pool? Let us see. I think it is on the left hand side. Yeah, that's the pool we have.
we can see the beach also.
You want to go to beach?
Yes,
Okay, we'll go little up. Okay, you can see the view of the swimming pool now. A beautiful view of swimming pool
yes,
and the side view of Q1. I am going little up, slowly, slowly. Now this is the hotel you are talking about, yes?
yes.
And on the right hand side, we have our
Beach.
ocean. Okay, so where else you want to go?
Mm, now let's go to the Adventure World. It's a theme park.
Here only?
Yes, in Gold Coast.
Okay, Adventure World. Okay, so all the way we are going to Adventure World. But it is taken to some other place.
I think there's another Adventure World. There is another
Yes.
one in Gold Coast.
Okay, so you want me to click again or you want to go down and see this Adventure World?
Let's see this one. It's the new one.
Okay, so let's go down. So let us go to the men and let us see. From the top, you can see the roller coasters and everything.
Yes, it's scary.
Can you see something, Bolu? I think this is a water park. These
Yes,
are the
water park
slides.
and adventure park. Both.
Yes. Okay, so this is a water pool. And do you know something about the Sea World?
Yes, it's an aquarium.
Sea World is an aquarium. There you see a lot of dolphins.
Yes, dolphin.
Sea World at Gold Coast. So we are all the way going to Sea World again to Gold Coast. Now you can see a big Sea World. Can you see? Tutu? So this is very big. It has dolphin shows. It has seal shows. It has a lot of different animals.
sharks also.
Yes, there are sharks also. So I'll take you down inside it. So let's go a little down and see what all we can see. So there are roller coasters as well. Can you see? This is a big roller coaster.
Yes, but it's for big boys.
It is not right now moving because it is still in lockdown.
Yes.
Can you see a penguin encounter? There they have penguins and they have monorail here. This is a monorail. It takes you to entire sea world. And then they have a helicopter as well. Okay. So where do you want to go now? We have seen Gold
Now
Coast.
we can leave Gold Coast and we can go to Melbourne.
Melbourne. And where in Melbourne?
Let's go to. Let's see.
Phillip
Uh,
Island?
what?
Phillip Island.
Oh yes, the small penguins are there.
Okay,
Should I
so
bring
this,
my penguin friend?
what did you say?
Should I bring my penguin friend?
Okay.
Okay, wait a second.
So from Melbourne, we have come down to Phillip Island.
I have a penguin friend.
Hello, penguin.
Hi.
So, so this Penguin's Island. Phillip Island is Penguin's Island.
Yes, it's my island.
Okay, so let's go down and see the Phillip Island. So there you have a lot of penguins.
Yeah, they look like me.
Okay, and there is something called Penguin Parade. So, so penguins come here and they in the evening they come out. You can see people sit down here, and at night all the penguins come from inside and they go in their burrows.
Yes.
So this is a place where penguin parade happens. So all of you are supposed to sit down, and all the penguins are supposed to come out, and then they hide inside their burrows. Okay, so this was in Melbourne. Where else you want to go? Trella Foster Falls?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll take you to Trella Foster Falls. So what are Twelve Festivals? They are ocean rock exposed. Okay, so 12 festivals you can see is inside the ocean. This is a beautiful ocean we are able to see. I'll take you down to see the 12 festivals. So we'll go down little bit. So these are our 12 festivals. So these are rocks on the main ocean. You can see like this. Oh, you got the 12 festivals?
Yes, it's so beautiful.
Yes, it is. Okay. So there is a Great Ocean Road. Do you know anything about Great Ocean Road?
Yes.
Okay, so you can see the road which travels on the side of this ocean is called Great Ocean Road. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Now where else you want to go?
Now we can go to Sydney.
Okay, I love Harbour Bridge at Sydney. So can we go to Harbour Bridge?
Yes.
Okay, Sydney Harbour Bridge. So let's go from Melbourne to Sydney. So we are moving and going again and coming on the top of it. Oh, let it load.
Yes. We can climb on it.
What do you want to do?
We can climb on it.
Acha, we can climb on Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Yes. There is a tour over there. There is a guide who makes sure that we don't fall and then we climb on it.
तो हम इसके ऊपर चढ़ सकते हैं.
हाँ.
ओके, और पैसे लगते होंगे उसके लिए.
हाँ.
ओके, और कितने डॉलर लगेंगे ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए.
Around $200.
ओके, so this is the Harbour Bridge of Sydney. I'm
Yes.
taking you up
The Opera House.
and I'll take you down. Let's go down and down. We are going down to see the Harbour Bridge. Okay, so I'll give you the 3D view of it. Now you can see how beautiful it is. Oh, there is Opera House as well.
Yes. I told you we can go to the Opera House.
Okay, let's go to Opera House. Oh, can you see Sydney Opera House too?
Oh yes. It's beautiful.
Yes, so let's go down just in front of it.
And at night, it has a show on it.
But right now it will not let me see there. So I'm taking you down. See, we are going down.
Oh yes.
We have just come in front of Opera House. That's nice.
Yes.
And from this place, we have come on the way to our house.
Oh.
Okay, so this button at the right hand side brings you to your location. So this is your location where you have come. Okay, so I'll take you back.
Google Earth is so cool.
Okay, anything else you want to go to do?
No, that's it for today.
Okay, it was fine for today.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll take you Sydney Opera House finally once again. You just see, we will. It is taking little time for me. So this is processing. So you can go open up anything in your Google account and you can go there. So we are traveling all the way from Jaipur to Melbourne to Sydney, and here we are at Sydney Opera House. What other things you have to do to see here in Australia at Sydney?
Um, let's do it for the next episode.
Okay, we will keep it for next episode. That's a good idea. Okay, so do you have Sydney Zoo also?
No, there is a Melbourne Zoo.
Okay, fine. So thank you, Tutu, for showing us this side of Australia where you have taken us to big building, and then you have taken us to Melbourne, Royal Apostles, and Sydney Opera House, and the Harbour Bridge. So the most beautiful thing I found today was the Harbour Bridge. Thank you very much, Tutu.
Bye.
Bye. See you.